The next set of application problems are related to nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, that is from exercise 4.4. Third question, is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So they have asked, is it possible or not? So in that case, in such situations, you will find out nature of the roots. For that, you need to find the discriminant value. So if discriminant is greater than 0, then they will have two roots, two distinct roots. If if d is equal to 0, then roots will be equal, and if d is less than 0, then it is not possible because roots will not be real. So here first we have to form the quadratic equation. Breadth we are taking as x, so length is 2x, and area will be 2x into x, that is 2x square. So 2x square is equal to 800. So x square is equal to 400, and x can be equal to either plus 20 or minus 20. So we are having two distinct roots over here. So yes, it is possible to design because we are directly able to find the roots of the quadratic. So in this situation it is possible, and the value should be 20. X is 20, that is breadth is 20, length is 40. The next question, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The situation is that the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of the ages in years was 48. So we have to check if the situation is possible or not. So we are taking the age of one of the friend to be x years. So other friend's age will be 20 minus x, because there's sum of the ages is 20. So one is x, other is 20 minus x. Now 4 years ago, the ages will be x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4, that is 16 minus x. So this product, that is x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4, that is x minus 4 into 16 minus x, this is equal to 48. So we will expand this bracket and get it in the general form of quadratic, that is x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now find the discriminant value, b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 20 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 112. So that is 400 minus 448. Now this is less than 0, minus 48. So if d is less than 0, square root of d will not be a real number. So the equation has no real roots. So therefore this situation is not possible, because in this situation it is not possible for us to find any real values of x. The next one, is it possible to design a garden, a rectangular garden of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So let the breadth be x. Now here perimeter is given, that is 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. So 2L plus 2B we have taken as x, the breadth is x. So 2L plus 2x is equal to 80, or L is equal to 80 minus 2x by 2. So we are finding the length in terms of the breadth. So L is 40 minus x. So we need to get everything in only one variable form. So in that case, we need to get length in terms of breadth, which is 40 minus breadth. Now area is L into B, that is given as 400. So in place of L, I will replace it with 40 minus x, and B is x. So 40 minus x into x is equal to 400. Then you will transpose the terms and get it in general form. Now again find first b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. Now over here discriminant value is coming 1600 minus 1600, that is 0. Now if discriminant is 0, it is possible for us to have real roots. Only if d is less than 0, in that case the situation will not be possible. If d is equal to 0 or d is greater than 0, you will say that the situation is possible and you will find the solutions. So if d is 0, the solution will be minus b plus or minus square root of d, which is 0, divided by 2a. So it will become minus b by 2a, which is minus of minus 40 by 2, that is 20 meter is the breadth, and length will also be 20. 40 minus 20 is again 20. So in this case, it will be a square, that is the length and breadth are coming equal as 20 meter each.